Hey y'all, it's your girl. You already know. Let's get to y'all. This about y'all, okay? Look, y'all. Letecia Stauch. If y'all been following this case, you know what I'm talking about. Hold up, let me take one of these U's out of her name. Jesus. Letecia. Hold on, y'all. See, she got me adding Letecia Stauch. Y'all know we've been following this case, and I've been appreciating all your comments. Whew, thank you, Jesus. Now the content is about Letecia Stauch trial. She interrupt court, y'all, to say no. The attorney was asking somebody to understand something. Y'all, I'm just tripping off Letecia. And Letecia said no. He wasn't even talking to Letecia. Now, if y'all been following this trial right here, this been a long journey with Letecia, y'all. Well, anyway, y'all, let's get into this content right here, okay? And then we'll talk about Tisha after this, okay? All right, let me share the screen with y'all. Cause Miss Letecia, I feel like the Judge West. Okay, y'all, here we go. Here we go. Let's check Miss Letecia out now. Let's check her out. Here we go. This Letecia.
She's read the whole book and things like that. Towards the end of the interview, she indicated that I know right from wrong. I read the book from cover to cover. Do you recall her saying something to that?
Yes.
Did that give you an indication that perhaps she may have reviewed the DSM-5?
I had wondered, but I don't know if she did.
No reproach.
And then I wanted to talk briefly about something that occurred. I don't remember what time it was. It was about an hour ago. It was when Mr. Young had asked to approach the bench. This was after Ms. Stauch had responded no quite loudly in response to a question that was asked of Dr. Torres. Ms. Stauch, it's been a long trial.
I'm sorry.
And
I couldn't hear my.
Okay. Well, let's make sure we're all on the same page. It's been a long trial. I know it wears on everybody, and I know that it has to wear on you especially. I also know that you're not feeling well today, so I do know that too. But remember what I told you a couple of weeks ago about the conduct I expect in my courtroom. You can't just blurt out comments or express your disagreement with someone. I've already given you an advisement of your right to testify. You do have a right to testify. And when it comes time, you can testify if you want to, and you can tell the jury what you want to tell them. But you can't do that while you're at counsel table. You just can't start talking from counsel table. You can't express disagreement with anything that is being said by a witness, or even agreement with anything that's said by a witness. So just be careful going forward, because again, I could have you removed. That's not in your best interest. It's not in your lawyer's best interest, but it can occur. So just remember that, and I'll leave it at that. Is there anything else that we need to take up at this point in time, prosecution?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Defense? Okay. All right, court will be in recess then. Thank you.
Lord, there's Tisha, y'all. Ooh, wee. That Tisha something else, ain't she? I'm sorry, y'all, but the Tisha is something else. If y'all been, well, I know y'all been watching the trial. Letecia just been, Letecia yelled out, y'all, and said no. I know y'all couldn't hear. I know y'all couldn't hear. What she did was they asked The prosecutor asked somebody on the stand something. And she asked the question, y'all, help me with Letecia, okay? They had to take a recess, okay? Help me with Letecia. Y'all, tell me what y'all think about this trial. Let me see, can we find something else up here, y'all? Let me see, can I find something else for y'all? Because this girl right here, she been a long journey for us, hasn't she? Whoa, wait. Mm, mm, mm. Hold on, y'all. Let's hear her confess. Well, I think we have this, but I will check to make sure. Hold on, y'all. I think we have this, but let me double check. Ooh, Lord, this girl a mess. Okay.
My bag, so I changed my whole route of where I was going. So instead of going on that one cruise, we hopped on another cruise because I didn't know if they had got my itinerary for where I was, when the kids were at home. You know what I mean? So I changed my whole itinerary to go to Palm Beach. Really went to Florida. And I kept telling Albert, I was like, I thought I saw that guy. I know I'm following him. And he was just like, no one's going to go to that stream over. So we ended up going on a cruise. I changed our whole route and everything. And we come back from the cruise. Well, the moment I get back from the cruise, Gabriel approached me with the team. He was like, your friends came by in that black car looking for you. So I started freaking out because I knew it was the same black car. They came to watch other videos and search and find me. So I told him, I said, look, can you explain what the car was like? I wanted to see if it has a black car too. Well, it could be every car. So he explained the car, and it definitely wasn't his car, but it has a demon. I just started getting my paranoia get really. So I would go to the mailbox, I would go wherever I was going to work, and I was putting, like I said, the visors up in my car because I thought that they could see me. I'd go take breaks at work and freaking out because I just started this job at District 20 and I didn't want it to think, like I was just putting my mind or something. So I go to my car and check.
Yeah, just imagine she was like a substitute teacher, y'all, a paraprofessional working with kids. Just imagine she was working with kids.
And then they figure out what to do. So that's for those were like 2 or 3 days. It was my birthday, January 22nd. We're celebrating our birthday. Well, I rode all the way to get Albert's mom because I was scared to stay at home by myself. Like I didn't know if they were gonna clear our house or not. Prior to that, like I got in trouble with the Colorado sheriff's office because I made a call to 911 and told them I thought somebody was in the back shop. Well, they send people out and they find out that there was nobody in the back. They say there's nobody. They looked at my alarm status and they're like, you could get in trouble for making false reports to the police, right? This was right in that time frame. And so I went to the airport to get Albert's mom on his birthday. And I basically wouldn't like leave out of people's sight. You know what I mean? Like people that could be around that knew could help protect me, whatever. Fast forward on a couple of days, I was trying to go to work. It was be all over the place, And so January 26th, that was the day that Kobe Bryant had died in a helicopter crash. And we were going to go to church that day. Well, there was this guy who was saying he was Michael the Archangel. That's why we didn't go to church on January 26th. It was a Sunday. First of all, I don't know where my faith is in Jesus. We have a business card that said Michael the Archangel. So I'm like thinking, I even asked my, attorneys this, and they asked me back and forth, like, why do you think this man was doing this? He was trying to keep us from going to the church, Turn the car around and we're just gonna go on a hike because, there's a really bright guy, I love Cody Bryant, we're just going to hike and stuff. So we're on a hike on January 26th. And I'm like talking to the kids about everything, and Logan was warning, he knew I was packing boxes. I knew about the breakfast, whatever. I was always being so geez, you don't have to wait till Wednesday. I said, because I'm talking to their mom to make sure the flight is on the through whatever. But we were tired as we were talking about this, like the thing that happened earlier with the whole Michael the Archangel. That's when something started telling me that we have to be a white thing to jump. Because if it would be a black family, it would never make TV. Which you guys know that's really definitely true because there's a lot of racism still in the country. So rough days like this kept happening with the whole Michael the Archangel lot, And I'm like, why is this crap? I didn't know if the people were getting him to call as Michael the Archangel and get him to come there, or if it had anything to do with the size of the accident, that was a leg accident or what. The Barney told the kid and said, look, let's just go on home. You know what I mean? Like, the day's into.
Yeah, this lady here knows she can give you a storyline. She just listen to it. She all over the place.
Hard day. Let's just go. Anna was complaining with a story because he had like poop all over. Yeah, like I told you, his dad's not a cousin. Well, we go to go home. I hadn't gotten dinner yet. So I leave him and back up, give him a bath or whatever. Me and Lena go and get food, but I don't know, do whatever. I was at work. So we come back, feed him, do everything, like a normal. But my mind is sitting there about this whole. I feel like he was God trying to tell me something. This whole arch. So my mind was stuck on that. So I was like, let's call it early night, guys. Let's just, I said, happened to stay with the whole helicopter. It's just like not a good day that normally we have on. So then we leave. So yeah, so we have to come back. Call it a night. And I'm in the bed, just like relaxing or whatever. And I hear the alarm of fire, 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 fire. So I was immediately freaking out. The next 30 minutes of that, 30 minutes-ish, was a glare. Like a glare. So like, what? Where I went, like I went into protection. I left the dog.
Yeah, hold up. Let me
Took her outside.
1 second, y'all. Let me make sure I'm not over a minute, y'all. I'll tell you. Oh, Chad, I got. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just tripping. I got some more minutes left for Letecia.
Because they were the first people I saw upstairs, you know what I mean? So I was thinking it was these people out first, But I come back and get ready to run down the stairs to go back to get G, and I had thoughts on. So I flipped down the whole stairway or whatever. That's how my blood gets on the baseboard. I bumped my head against the baseboard because I was running so fast down the stairs. It was down to where I see smoke at this point. As soon as I see the smoke, I go into panic mode. Like, I was like, have a flashback. So now like all the fires I've experienced. Went back out the front door again, and then realized Jamin was downstairs. Went back downstairs. And then I went back down the stairs again. And Jamin's on the sofa, and the fire is around the sofa. So I reach over to grab him, and when I knew he was like wrapped in the covers, so I grabbed the covers, I pulled the covers, and when we both were on the fire. The last part of that was just being down on the fire. I don't remember anything to do until we were in the truck, but all of them were safe in the truck. So, like, I don't remember running out at that point in time. I know that I did because the alarm doorbell camera showed that we run out the house. But I don't know if I just took it. It was just so traumatic. I don't know what happened from the time we went down in the fire to going out to the car. Except my doorbell, the camera still. So they have camera footage. Go out, we get in the car, and I just pull up. So again, I'm a runner. That was it. To just run away.
I really don't understand what this got to do with anything. That's what I'm trying. I'm trying to figure out what she's saying got to do with anything.
To make that decision. I didn't know. This is what I was doing. My mind goes to this home. There's probably one of my kids are missing. That's the mindset. That's the
That's not my video, y'all. It's theirs. Yeah, I can't listen to no more, Tisha. I really feel sorry for the attorneys who has to sit there and listen to Letecia, but I can't do Letecia too long. I can't, y'all. Because she just talking. She's talking and you don't know what she's talking about. And so they sit in the trial and they have to hear all of that she's saying. All of that, what she's talking about, don't have nothing to do with the case. She's not gonna admit what she did. She not. Tisha, Stauch will not tell you what happened. She has already memorized what she's gonna say. And you talking about the judge? They got one of the best judges in this case, Wes. I can't think of no other name here, but I know it's Wes. And he is a very calm, nice man. Woo, I don't see how they did it, y'all. But y'all tell me, what do y'all, since y'all been, I know we all been looking at this, right? Yes. Um, she's sitting there and she's not believing her own story. She's doing everything but paying attention to what she says because she know what she did. She allegedly knows what she did. But Tisha can't get nobody on her side but those two attorneys right there. Defense attorney. Y'all tell me what y'all think about Letecia in these cases. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.